Hi Sagittarius, today I'm going to do August mid-month reading. This is completely a love reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone, so take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video guys, then it will reach more people, and thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. So let's start our reading. Sagittarius, fire sign, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Let's see the recent past, present. Under the deck, we got King of Swords, the Fool, Temperance, Hierophant, recent past. So, in recent past, you both were being patient and you both wanted stability in your relationship because of the Hierophant and the Fool. Definitely, you both wanted to start a new beginning. Like if you were in relationship, you both wanted to take this relationship into next level, like marriage, or you wanted to label this relationship, or you want to open up with your parents, but you both were being very very patient here because some situations were not in your control, so that's why you both were being patient with each other. Present, Page of Pentacles, the Empress, Ten of Wands, under the deck, Queen of Swords. Present, I'm seeing some overburden energy here. Someone is carrying some burden. It could be you, it could be either you or your person, and one person is like very very strong emotionally, but one person is not. So that's why I'm seeing communication blockage between both of you guys. One person is trying to communicate, but other person is not communicating here. Past everything was fine, but present I'm seeing some differences. I'm seeing some obstacles here. And some of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, lot of fire energy, especially Sagittarius, and some of you are dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and especially Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and the true intentions towards you. Seven of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, Five of Wands, intentions, Six of Wands, strength, and Seven of Swords, under the deck, Eight of Pentacles. I think the person who is not talking is your person. Why? Because they are in waiting mode. And I'm seeing stability issues, financial issues, and for some family issues involved here. Especially those issues are from your person side, so that's why your person is going through a lot of inner conflicting energy here. They're feeling emotionally unstable within themselves. They're going through a lot emotionally, a lot of ups and downs. Okay, and intention, Six of Wands, strength, Seven of Swords, and under the deck, Eight of Pentacles. They're hiding something from you. Seven of Swords energy. The person intentionally hiding something from you. They definitely want this relationship, and they're trying to take this relationship into next level. They seriously thinking about this and want to take action regarding this, but they're taking time to get more clarity here. So I want to clarify Seven of Swords, what they are hiding. Five of Pentacles with Six of Cups and the Sun under the deck. Right now, they're feeling lonely, they're feeling alone. At the same time, they have some financial issues also. So let's see your current feelings. Under the deck, Nine of Pentacles, Emperor, King of Pentacles, and Star. You right now focusing on yourself. Yes, you want this person, you're wishing for this person. You also want to take action here. You are ready to do anything for this person, but parallelly, you're focusing on yourself. See, because in recent past, you've gone through a lot of overthinking, but now you're coming out of this energy slowly and you're taking your power back. And regarding this relationship, you're serious, okay? And you literally want to take this into next level. You also ready to take action, and lots of you are dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energy, and some of you are dealing with Aquarius, air sign. So let's see you pose a next action. The next action is walking away. Very surprising, because Page of Swords, Queen of Swords, Ten of Swords, and it's very painful. Because of other reason, they walking away from you. They're stuck, they're completely thinking, they're constantly thinking about you, and even though they're walking away from you, you are on their mind 24/7, and they are doing it with heavy heart, because they really love you so much. Now they don't want to walk away, but they have to. It's very tough situation right now they're going through. And lots of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energies here. So let's see what is the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed on. The Hermit, Hanged Man, Knight of Wands, and Ten of Cups. So you both will be stuck, you both will be in deep thinking. Some passionate energy will be there, but overthinking, decision making, and Wheel of Fortune under the deck, Seven of Wands. Lot of confusion, overthinking, and I'm seeing divine timing will be the key, and clarity. Eventually, both will try to get clarity. Again, there will be no you both will try to find the reason, especially you Sagittarius, you will try to find the reason why they walk away from you. But I'm seeing one type of ending here for some of you guys. Yes. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding this relationship or situation. The world, completion of cycle and beginning of another cycle here. And you need to spend some quality time with yourself. And Five of Cups means you need to let go of your past and focus only on present, and you need to take stand for yourself. Make the effort. Great love is both taking the steps you are guided to take. So if your person really want you, they really want to take action. So definitely I'm saying they are going to. And unrequited love, there is not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. See, that's why your person is walking away. it could be one of the reason to walk away. And getting to know each other, as you reveal your innermost selves to each other, you bond deepens. For those who are in relationship, you both need to spend some quality time with each other to get to know about each other. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me, and readings are chargeable. Thank you so much.